Hey everyone, welcome back to Wandering Ways. It's me, Ishita Dhiman, and we are back in Solan. There is so much to explore here, and today we are visiting one of the most popular and religious spots in the area, the Shulini Mata Mandir. I have heard so much about this temple, and everyone has been telling me that if you are in Solan, you must visit it. The Shulini Mata Mandir is located in the hills of Solan and it's known for its serene atmosphere and spiritual significance. The temple is dedicated to Shulini Mata, an incarnation of goddess Durga, a goddess who is believed to protect the religion and bring peace to her devotees. It's also a great place to soak in some stunning views of the mountains and the town itself. To reach the temple, you need to pass through Solan Mall Road, which is bustling with the energy, local shops, and a great vibe. So let's take a walk and head towards the temple. Alright, we are passing by the famous Mall Road. It's a heart of Solan, lively and vibrant with so much local charm. You will find everything here. It's the perfect place to get a feel from the local culture. Before we continue to the temple, we decide to stop by this little shop for a quick snack. So we ordered momo. Alright, well, not exactly what we hoped for. These are cool. They didn't taste great either. The flavor is pretty bland and the texture is off, definitely not fresh. I have had better momos in the past, but hey, sometimes you take a chance with street food, right? Guess this one wasn't the best shop for a snack. Well, that momo was a bit of a letdown, but it won't ruin our day. Let's shake it off and keep heading to the Shulini Mata Mandir. Here we are, finally at the Shulini Mata Mandir. Just look at how peaceful and beautiful this place is. The temple is situated in such a serene spot, and you can already feel the spiritual energy here. What's fascinating about this temple is that it's not just a religious site but also a place where people come to meditate, reflect, and seek blessings. The temple is simple yet stunning with intricate carvings and a calm atmosphere that immediately puts you at ease. People come from all over to offer prayers, light incense, and connect with their spiritual side. It's one of those places where you can truly feel a sense of peace. And let me tell you, the view from here is incredible. You can see the lush greenery of Solan all around, making it even more special. That was such a peaceful experience at Shulini Mata Mandir. If you are in Solan, I highly recommend visiting this place for some spiritual time and to take in some beautiful surroundings. But now we are heading back to town. And I have heard about a popular local restaurant here that's known for its amazing food, so let's grab a bite. Alright, so we are at this restaurant named Aoji Tikhaoji. The vibe here is really cozy, perfect if you are going with your family. Let's check out what's on the menu and try something. We decided to try dosa, a classic South Indian dish, and chana kulcha, which isn't typically from this religion, but we thought it would be fun to sample. First, let's talk about the dosa. The texture is perfectly crisp and the filling is just the right balance of flavor. It's everything you want in a dosa, and honestly, it completely exceeded my expectations. Now let's dive into the chana kulcha. The kulcha itself is a little uncooked for my liking, and the chana is made in Punjabi style, which is interesting but not what I expected. The flavors are quite bold, but the kulcha could have been cooked a bit more for the perfect texture. And now for something sweet. We decided to try the gajar ka halwa, a traditional Indian dessert made from carrots, milk and sugar. And let me tell you, this was absolutely divine. It's the perfect way to end this meal. Overall, our experience here at this restaurant was a mix of highs and lows. The dosa definitely the highlight, crispy, flavorful and just delightful. The chana kulcha was a bit hit or miss, but the gajar ka halwa more than made for it. If you are ever in Solan, I'd recommend checking out this spot for a unique dining experience. And that concludes today's adventure in Solan. From the peaceful Shulini Mata Mandir to the flavorful yet eclectic meal, it's been a day full of discovery and experiences. I hope you enjoyed coming along on this journey with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more exciting travel adventures from Wandering Ways. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.